Guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of our duck coop build. And if you didn't see episode 1, make sure to go check that out on our channel. And so episode 2, we're just going to be adding on poop. Episode 3.
Start over.
Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to part 3 of our duck coop build. And in part 3, we're going to be sheeting it and roofing it and putting all the siding on and just finishing the whole thing up.
Framing. We have all of our pieces that we need and they're all cut up, so we're going to get to it.
Alright, so for the bottom,
These are going to be sides?
no, front and back.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, so for the bottoms of the wall, we're going to use green treated so that like the ducks, they might spill some water, and then they'll just suck up all the water if any gets on the ground. So just make sure the green treated ones are on the bottom. So our back walls, the back wall is going to be 3 feet tall, and the front wall is going to be 4 feet tall. So then we're going to just be using four 2 by 4 3 foot for the wall, and then you'll need one more 6 footer at the top. So hopefully you enjoyed the time lapse of us putting this together. Alright, so you got the front, the 3 foot wall, and the 4 foot wall, 4 foot, all framed up. And so now we're going to work on the side walls. They're just going to be 3 foot walls on the sides, and then we're going to have 7 footers on the roof that go over them like that. So hope you enjoy time lapse of us putting these together. Alright, so we got all the walls framed up and screwed together, and now we're going to work on the rafters. We're going to get 4 of them, secure them down, and then Alright, so we got pretty much most of the framing done. And I'll show you what we all got done. So we got this there, and we got all the roof rafters on, and now we're gonna put these 2x4s on the end of this, and they're gonna run on each of these on top and bottom, and then we're gonna place stuff in between, like right there in between, so there's no gaps. And so that's what we'll be doing today. And then we'll be framing the doors, the 3-foot or the 4-foot and the 3-foot doors, and that will be all for
We're on the very top of the roof, and we're just folding the shingles down, and then we're gonna grab another shingle here, one that doesn't have. We're not gonna use this one, but it's just a demonstration. We're gonna put it like this, and then fold it again, and then nail it on the top here. There. Yeah. A little bit. Pretty much like that. And nail it. Nail it down. Put 1, 2, 3, 4. So it stays.
And we'll cut that thing off.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, actually, no. We'll put a. It's gonna flap up. You don't have caulk. There's concrete adhesive.
Yeah, we have caulking.
We have caulk.